right, I had to run my wife to work. I had to pick up another son to go cast his check. Then I had to take my daughter to go grab some groceries. Finally making it out the lake. It's almost 6 o'clock. I have a swim jig tied on, a chatterbait tied on, and a regular jig tied on. We got a little bit of chop in the water. I only got a little bit of time. I got a couple hours of fishing. And in case you guys are wondering if you're having a problem with wind noise, get you one of these off of Amazon for like 10 bucks. They're like the same thing you put over a microphone. But I'm gonna see if I can catch me some. And hopefully we'll find them. Looks like we're going on this one now. Like I said, I only have a little bit of time. The water looks fantastic for a chatterbait. And I do have, I think it's a thunder cricket tied on, and I have a original chatterbait tied on. Well, I guess I got two swim jigs tied on. Oh, and I got the jackhammer tied on. And a crankbait. Crankbait doesn't work right for out here. You know what? We do have some wind. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys inside this thing I was just showing you. Okay, just put it around like that. Get it on nice and neat. And you put it back in your harness and put your screw back in, tighten it back up. Now they help cut down the wind noise. But I just got these new thunder crickets, so I'm hoping I can catch one off of one of it. Jackhammer I trust. Original chatterbait I trust. Thunder cricket I've caught. I haven't had too many of them. I lost more than I've caught fish with. But we've had overcast all day. It's been warm. They should be getting up shallow and wanting to chew. And over here is a great crappie spot, so you know, I figure maybe start here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the water's looking a little tannic. That spot right over there is usually pretty good to me. You know, bang us a little bit. There's a little grass over there. Yeah, what'd I tell you? Oh, come on, baby. You ain't coming off. Oh, there's one. Like I said, that spot's been real good to me. He liked it. He liked it a lot. Too good, I think. Dang. This is what you call choking it. He got it in his mouth, in his gullet. I gotta really, yeah, he ain't gonna like that none. Oh, he damn near swallowed it. We're gonna let you go on the other side. You ain't no worse aware though. You're pretty good still. Oh yeah, you're angry. Let him go. See if we can get us another one like that. That was great. He inhaled that thing. All right. I like to pitch to a spot, then walk towards it instead of letting line slack out. I just walk towards it and give it some slack anyways. Just by walking towards it. That way my reel stays engaged in case I see that line taking off. There's a bite. Yeah, little guys over here giving me hell. All right, you go back being you. There you go. Thanks for biting, good sir. That's two of them. To be honest with you, I thought the fishing would be better, but all my spots I usually like to fish are all about half of them taken up. So I'm gonna keep trying, but we're losing light, and the storm should be moving in here in a couple hours. I got about an hour left, so I think I might be able to get a few more. Only time will tell. Love it when I should have never left here after that first catch. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good one for the night. Got you guys a little wet there. Get you dried off. Fat little sucker. Right through the snoot. Right where you want to get him. Oh, thick boy. Thank you, good sir. You go terrorize the rest of them. That makes 3 for the night. Oh. I think I might just switch to a smaller finesse jigs for the next 5-10 minutes. I gotta remember I gotta use my scissors, so they're not really wanting the big jig. Oh yeah. Might be able to pick up a few more bites of this finesse jig. Let's give him another crack at it. I knew I'd pick up another one. Little finesse jig getting them. Tearing up my plastic though, you goober. Yeah, these little jigs right here really paid off. You can get them at Bass Pro. I didn't order them. The grocery store in my hometown had them. And I bought all the ones they had left. And they didn't have no skirts. I had to order the skirts from Tackle Warehouse. Sorry, I got a little distracted. I thought I seen my line move. But I ordered the green pumpkin, watermelon red skirt, and I put a green pumpkin watermelon I got a bite. He's just a little fella. But yeah, the old rattling chunk, is that what they call it? Rattling chunk by Guggen Baits on there, and it works out wonders. Catch a lot of fish on that. All right, we did find success tonight. I got some on the chatterbait, I got some on the finesse jig, and I got some on the blue craw bandito bug with the baby blue bandito bug on it. Can't ask for better. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, all day tonight, all night tonight, all day tomorrow. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to enjoy some lasagna, and thank you guys for watching.